Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable microphone access on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the launcher menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select privacy and security, and then underneath privacy and security on the right, select privacy controls. And then where it says microphone access, if you want to enable it, just toggle it to the right to enable. If you want to disable, you turn to the left. And you can also turn it on or off for specific apps and system services down below. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.